The Lyceum of the Philippines, University Cavite is recognized as the first and only resort campus here in the Philippines, showcasing intricate architectures and landscapes.
Within its premises, a diverse variety of plants provides aesthetic pleasure and a relaxing environment for students, faculty, and staff.
This initiative aims to establish a sustainable planting program for the campus community.
Incorporating fruit-bearing plants and trees will not only enhance the scenery, but also contribute to the ecosystem and campus life.
The cultivation of these plants offers more than just visual appeal but also provides a practical resource by yielding fruits and vegetables that can be sold in local markets or used in the campus cafeteria, promoting healthier and more affordable food options.
Additionally, LPU Cavite's lagoon, which is a home for various animals like fish and ducks, presents an ideal setting for implementing aquaponic farming.
Aquaponics combines aquatic animals with hydroponic plant cultivation, creating a mutually beneficial system where fish waste fertilize the plants and the plants purify the water for the fish.
Ano po, meron silang pipitas-pitas habang naglalakad sa building. Kaya pag may bunga, pwede naman kumuha nun eh. Kagaya nung mangga dyan eh, sa dito sa likod.
Sobra siguro at saka yung mapapakinabangan lalo sa amin sa mga janitor baka pwede kami mabigyan o kaya yung mga gardener natin mapapakinabangan tama po.
Sa isang university, maganda sana yung may mga fruit-bearing trees kasi makakapag-add ng shade. But in terms sa fruits, makikinabang din naman yung mga student, but paano naman yung waste, 'di ba? Syempre yung tawag dito, yung pagko-control natin. For example, mango yung tanim natin. So madaming siyang bunga. And then yung bang mango na yun, ilang years ba siya bago ba magpapakinabangan. The shade, pwede natin mapakinabangan ng 5 years, magiging sustainable siya sa mga 5 years na in the future na 5 years. So, kung sa shade, in terms sa shade, sustainable farming naman ang gusto ninyo, siguro maganda siya. Yun lang. Kailangan lang magkaroon ng program for the waste. Yun sa fruits.
Yung kalabasa, sitaw, talong, para yung mga gulay na yon, pag namunga yon, pwede nyong ibenta dito sa mga stall para yung mga binenta ninyong mga gulay, pwede naming ibenta sa inyo. Nakatulong kayo sa amin, tapos kami nakatulong din sa inyong mga estudyante.
Para sa akin po is yes po kasi di lang po makakatipid yung mga staff faculty tapos po yung expenses sa school. So mababawasan na rin po yung pagkain ng mga students ng unhealthy foods.
This innovative approach reflects LPU Cavite's dedication to environmental sustainability and comprehensive development.